ジョルノ・ジョバーナには夢がある。
Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna discuss on how to make variable wings in simple planes. It's very easy. It's not the most challenging thing to do, really. It's like a simple aircraft, but it takes a lot of time. Not a lot, but like, you know. Alright, let's go. Okay, so for this video, I've prepared this dummy aircraft right here. It's not completely built, it's just for the video, just to show you how everything works. Okay, so first you start off by putting some blocks. I'll put some right here and here. Next, what you want to do is go to gizmos, or however you pronounce them. Put this, rotate it until it faces up, and then make it like that. Put it inside of here, inside of the block. Go in this tool right here and start pushing it down, just like that, just for the thing to pop up. And then you want to put a wing facing this way. And now you gotta edit it. First of all, edit the rotator so that it can only turn back 30 degrees at the speed of 30. Now as you can see, first we don't have any connection, so we're gonna put a connection on it. You do the connection thing by pressing here, connect, and then you click on the rotator. And there you go. Now you got your first variable wing design. Basically you want to do the same on the other side, and then to cover it so people don't notice, you either put a fuselage and make it round, or you get a wing right here, put it that way, and then make it like this. You make it like a triangle formed, kind of, and so people cannot see the rotator or anything, and it looks like this. It's a very easy design. As you progress and make aircraft like these or these, they work very well and they can fly, which is good. That's the thing we want. They work perfectly fine and they can fly, which is good. That's the thing we want, alright? Coolest thing is that they can go faster when they're swept wings. And never put the wings forward, because then you're gonna break the aircraft. Just like you can see here, I'll show you.
Bruh.
As you can see, it's not stable, so it starts to pull up. So don't put the wings forward. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you make variable wing designs. Thanks for watching and peace. Also don't forget to check out my page, my Simple Planes page. I'll link it down in the description, where you can download my aircraft and my creations if you want and get ideas from them. Yeah.